Today I'm just going to be doing a walk around and some vacuuming with my new Riccar tandem air canister. So here it is. I have the attachment stored on the handle right now. You could store it on the body too if you want, right there. But right now I prefer to have it right there. Here's the on-off switch for the power nozzle. And you could extend it right there. And this wand extends to about 6 feet. Like, it's ridiculously long. Like, there is nothing you cannot reach with a wand at all. And here's the tandem air nozzle. It has a very long hose. Here's the body. There's the bag in there. As you can see, I've been using it. It's got a bag check indicator. Right there you can adjust the speed of the motor. And it has a cord rewinder right there. It's just like an Electrolux where you pull it and then it'll just stop when you stop pulling on it. And then to retract it, you just give it a tug and it'll retract back in. Just pretty cool. You can see the HEPA filter kind of in there. Now I'll just do some vacuuming with it. First I want to show you that this nozzle literally pulls itself. The brush roll is very aggressive. Like, I'm not even going to hold on to it. I'm going to flip the switch on and turn it on real quick just so you guys can see it like take off. Here we go. As you can see, the thing literally moves by itself. So now I'll just start vacuuming with it. Let me turn that off so it don't take off on me and bump into anything, because I don't want to scratch this thing up at all. Thanks for watching, everyone, and stay tuned for more videos.